What's up everybody, thank you for tuning in to this brand new guitar tutorial. This time we're going to be looking at how you play Bad Idea Right by Olivia Rodrigo on the acoustic guitar. If you've got an electric guitar, don't worry, you can play along. It's exactly the same fingering and strumming pattern. I'm just using my acoustic guitar because a lot of you will have access to acoustic guitars. If you haven't, no problem, get your electric guitar. Really nice song to play, split into 3 sections this is. I'm looking at that main lick, and then I'm looking at the 2 chords that we use, and then I'm looking at the pre-chorus, which is that transition down from the E major. Really nice song to play, fairly easy. I'd say beginner to intermediate level. So if you're fairly new to the guitar, maybe pause the video, take your time. I've put the tabs up and I've put the chord sheets up as well, so follow those. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I've got loads of videos coming out very soon and a back catalogue of loads too. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions, comments or recommendations, use that comment section below. Right, let's dive in and see how we play this song. So here we are, zoomed into the neck of the guitar and our sound hole. And for this, I'm using a plectrum. You don't have to use a plectrum if you haven't got access to one. You can use your thumb or you can use your finger and strum along to the strumming pattern in a bit. As I say, it's all in standard tuning, which is E, B, G, D, A, and E. So all standard tuning, no special tuning there, and you don't need a capo. The song is primarily around 2 chords, and those are E major and A major. But all the way through the song, you've got this lick going, and it's played on the bass and then reinforced with an electric guitar. You've got this. Now that is up in the 5th position, which we'll have a look at in a second. But if you just look at those 2 chords together and that lick, all you've got is. So the song is based around two chords. It's obviously a very catchy song, and there's a lot of sort of spoken word and I guess sort of rapping in there as well. So we're going to split it into a couple of sections. We've got that main lick. I'm going to show you how to play those 2 chords if you don't want to play that lick. And then we've got the sort of, I think it's the pre-chorus, or it might actually be the chorus itself. I'll show you how to play the pre-chorus as well, which is this. So I've split that up in the time code below. If you just want to look at the pre-chorus, just click on the link and it will take you straight to that pre-chorus. If you just want to have a look at that lick, then we're going to dive in and have a look at that now. So we have got our 5th fret, and the string that you're going to need to pluck first is actually an open E. So we're going to go, I'm going to talk about the plucking pattern as we go now. So we're going to go 2 plucks of that E string. And then we're going to put our first finger on the 5th fret of the 6th string for our A. And then we're going to put our second finger on the 7th fret of that A string, which is the 6th fret. The 7th fret, 6th string. So 5, 6, 7. And again, you should see a dot. So you've got your 5th and you've got your 7th. So we've got E, E, A. And then we've got an open A. I'm going to strum that or pluck that twice, which is the 5th string. Oops. And you're going to repeat that pattern that I just showed you on the 5th and 7th string, 5th and 7th fret on the A string, which is the 5th string. So we're going to go first finger, 5th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 7th fret, 5th string. What I'm doing, instead of doing that open E, I'm actually playing the open E as well as my 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string, which is actually E up there. So I'm playing those 2 together and I'm palm muting to get a bit of control, add a bit of dynamic into it. So I'm controlling those strings using my palm as well. So let's start off really slow, and then let's build that tempo up as we go. If those notes aren't quite ringing out nicely, you need to be pressing nice and hard on those strings, center of the fret as well. So that is the main lick that goes all the way through, and over that main lick you've got these chords. E major and A major. Very simple. So to play that, you got E major. So we've got our first finger, first fret, third string. We've got a second finger, second fret, fifth string. And then we've got a third finger, second fret, fourth string. And we're going to strum all the way from the sixth string down. And you're going to strum it downwards twice. So it's down, down. And again, you can do some palm muting and pausing with that. And then we move to our A, which is that one. Now I play my A just by barring string number 4, 3, 2, and I don't let the first string ring out, otherwise that's a sixth. So we're just playing the D, the D string, the G string, and the B string, which is your string number 4, 3, and 2, and I'm letting that root note, the A, ring out. And again, it's 2 downstrokes. So we've got, and you can go between the two. And play it right. Again, play along with the record, which is going to really help as a reference point. And then we've got this pre-chorus, which goes like this. What I'm doing there is power chords. So I'm going to the E major, but I'm playing it as a power chord up on the 12th fret. First finger, 12th fret, 6th string, that's our E. Third finger on the 14th fret of the A string, which is string number 5. And I'm just playing those two. And I'm palm muting it as I go. Down strokes. Down, 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 down. And then I'm moving that whole shape down 2 frets. 1, 2. So our first finger should be on the fret number 10, string number 6. And our third finger should be on fret number 12, string number 5. And again, just that power chord. So we got D. Doing the third chord, I'm dropping my first finger back to that 9th fret, but I'm leaving my third finger where it is on that 12th fret of the 5th string. And then I'm playing my last chord, which is my power chord of C major, which is my first finger on string number 6, fret number 8, third finger on fret number 10, string number 5. So. And that's played twice.